Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Hairology. I hope you will be fine. In today's video, I have brought classic bob haircut for you. This style is one length all around the head and is typically chin length. There are no layers, so can be blunt cut or point cut if you want it be softer. Classic bob, also known as a blunt bob. This short hairstyle is a simple cut that remains the same length around the base of the hair. The blunt cut gives the face a round look, balancing the appearance of a long face shape. A bob haircut is a short style that frames your face and ends near your jawline. This versatile hairstyle suits different hair types, including straight, wavy, and curly hairs. A classic bob haircut is a style most popular among women, which has remained common over the years because of its simplicity and timelessness. In this style, the hair is cut to the same length all around the head. A chin-length bob is the most common, in which the hair will fall just to the jawline. Some choose to go a bit shorter and chop the hair around the ears. The classic bob haircut is typically parted in the middle or off to one side and is generally styled straight. Some with thin straight hair may find that this haircut gives their hair more volume and lift. In addition, a classic bob haircut in all one length is a timeless style. If you want to know about more haircut and hairstyle and you can use to make your personality more charming, then subscribe my YouTube channel Hairology and stay blessed. Thank you for watching my videos.